If you've recently tried logging into Discord only to be hit with the new age verification screen, you're not alone. Many users have found themselves locked out, stuck between scanning their ID or giving up their privacy. But don't worry. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to get around Discord's new age verification system safely and effectively, without uploading any personal identification. First, let's understand why this update even exists. Discord's age verification system comes down to three main factors: legal pressure, content filtering, and teen protection. Countries like the UK and Australia have introduced stricter laws requiring online platforms to verify users' ages. Discord is simply following suit to stay compliant. At the same time, they're using this system to restrict access to certain types of content and to make sure younger users are shielded from potentially unsafe communities. On paper, it sounds fine. But in reality, many users simply don't want to share personal data like photos or IDs with a random third-party verification company. So, how do you get around this? There are two reliable methods that people have been using successfully. Method 1, the VPN method. This is the safest and most effective approach, changing your IP address using a VPN. A VPN, or virtual private network, hides your real location and replaces it with the location of a secure server somewhere else in the world. When you connect through a VPN, Discord thinks you're logging in from another country, one that doesn't have mandatory age verification rules. But before you buy a VPN, make sure you get the right one, because there is a lot of really bad VPNs out there that overcharge like crazy and have really slow speeds, and the worst part is that they are not even secure. That's why I recommend you all to go to vpndiscount.org right now and pick one of the VPNs from their list that they reviewed. Not only is it reviewed by VPN experts, they also provide the best discount for you to use. I used their site to get NordVPN, and I was able to save 75% off, which is absolutely massive savings. So do not miss out. Go to vpndiscount.org now and secure yourself one of the best VPNs in the world for super cheap. They also have others like ExpressVPN, which is also really good as well. But it's also really simple to use the site. You just click the link, then buy the VPN and install it onto your PC, laptop, Mac, or even mobile device. There's no reason you shouldn't have a VPN in this day and age. Try it out and stay safe online, guys. Once you've chosen a VPN from the list, download and install it on your computer or phone. Open the app, select a location outside the UK or Australia, for example, the United States, Canada, or Germany, and hit connect. Within seconds, your IP address will change to that country. Now, refresh Discord or create a new account, and you'll notice that the age verification pop-up disappears. That's it. You're back online, chatting and gaming as usual. No ID required. This method isn't just for Discord. With the right VPN, you can also unblock region-restricted games, streaming sites, and other platforms that might limit access in your area. Every VPN recommended on vpndiscount.org includes a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can test it completely risk-free. Method 2, the AI or gaming photo trick. Some users on Reddit and YouTube have experimented with submitting a gaming-related or AI-generated photo instead of a real selfie for the verification scan. While this may work temporarily, it's not something I recommend long-term. Discord's algorithm is getting smarter and can easily detect manipulated or non-human images, which could result in your account being flagged or suspended. So, if Discord's age verification wall has locked you out, skip the ID scans and keep your privacy intact. Head to vpndiscount.org, choose a trusted VPN like NordVPN or ExpressVPN, connect to a different region, and regain full access in minutes. It's quick, safe, and completely reversible. If this video helped you, make sure to drop a like, subscribe for more VPN tutorials, and check the links at vpndiscount.org to get the best deals on verified VPNs. Stay private, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.